Discover our 2023 GMC Terrain SLE all-wheel drive, where sleek design meets exceptional comfort and reliable performance. With heated seats to keep you cozy, a remote start for those chilly mornings, and a rear camera for stress-free parking, this SUV has your back every step of the way. Sleek alloy wheels and a factory warranty round out the package, giving you peace of mind and a touch of flair. At Jim Gilbert's, we take things one step further with our 12-month Huggable Guarantee and a full tank of gas with every vehicle. Reliable, affordable, and oh-so-huggable, this Terrain is ready to tackle your daily drives or spontaneous road trips, wherever the road takes you. With $0 down, full financing options, and top-dollar trade-in deals, your perfect ride is just a smile away. Stop by and experience the huggable difference. You could even spin to win up to $500 in free gas. Why wait? Come see us today.
We'll give you a hug because we love ya. You're a customer